Welcome. In this quick and simple guide, you'll learn exactly how to delete a post on Telegram. Whether you've made a mistake, shared something by accident, or just want to clean up your channel or group, this updated tutorial will walk you through every step so you can do it in seconds. First, open the Telegram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in to the same account that originally posted the message. If you manage multiple accounts or channels, take a moment to double-check that you're in the right place before continuing. Next, head over to your channel or group where the post you want to remove is located. Scroll through your messages until you find that specific post. It doesn't matter if it's a text message, photo, video, or link. The process works exactly the same for all types of Telegram posts. Once you've located the post, tap and hold it for a second or two. You'll see a few icons appear at the top of your screen. Among them, look for the small trash bin or delete icon. This is the one you need. Tap on it, and a confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you're sure you want to delete the post. Finally, confirm the deletion to remove it permanently. Keep in mind that once you confirm, the post will disappear for everyone in the group or channel, not just for you. Telegram doesn't offer an undo option for deleted messages, so make sure you're certain before tapping delete. And that's it. In just a few quick taps, your unwanted post is gone. This feature is perfect for keeping your Telegram community tidy and professional, especially if you manage a public channel or share frequent updates. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to stay tuned for more easy Telegram tutorials and app tips that make your digital life simpler. Thanks for watching,